Hey, Kiersten, thank you so much for sitting down and talking with me at Coffee Talk.
You're welcome. I'm excited to be here.
Fantastic. So tell me a little bit about yourself, your company. Tell me a little bit about what you do.
Yeah, so my name's Kiersten Gibson. I'm with Reach Media Network. We are a digital signage software company, so CMS. And I'm our Executive Vice President of Sales and Marketing and have been with the company almost 11 years.
11 years.
Yes.
That's a good chunk of time. And now how are you managing with this ridiculous Las Vegas heat? It is astronomically hot.
I will say I prefer dry heat.
Yeah.
So for me, I prefer Vegas over Orlando. But, you know, we did, our team stayed at Circa last night as a group, and we did the stadium swim, which was very nice after a long day.
It's a stadium swim?
It's like a big TV.
Okay.
In like by their pool, and it has like all like sports.
Oh, that is so
Yes.
cool. Okay, so I'm gonna have
Now
to
you're gonna have to check it out.
All right, so now I have to come, and then I'll definitely do it when it cools down a little
Yes.
bit. But that sounds like so much fun.
Yeah.
Okay, adding that to the list. Okay, so random question. So yes, you've been to InfoComm before.
Yes.
So I know the show floor just opened today.
Yep.
If you had a theme song that could be playing as you first entered onto the show floor, what song would be playing as soon as you got on the floor?
Oh man, I'm trying like a Pitbull song.
Oh, absolutely.
Right? Can't Stop Me Now. There you go. With Zach and I love Zach Brown Band.
Okay.
There you go.
I like that. You'd have a little combination of the
Yeah.
two.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's totally appropriate. So I know, well, I pack a lot. So,
Oh, don't even get me started.
how many suitcases did you pack?
So I brought 3 bags, 1 big suitcase, 1 small suitcase, duffel, and then my backpack and a purse.
Okay.
So
I thought I was bad.
everybody knows this. It's like, whatever, you know? And my big bag usually is over 50 pounds, but it was 47 this time.
Oh my gosh. So what is in your InfoComm survival kit everybody has one? What keeps you going that you just can't leave at home and you must bring with you to InfoComm?
Well, tennis shoes.
Yes.
So I've switched my shoes out, I think 3 different times today, 4 different times actually now.
Okay.
Yes. Hairbrush, because when it's hot out, you know, especially like my hair is naturally curly. So hairbrush and water.
Okay.
Water's a big one.
It's one of those things like I just forget to drink water.
Yes.
Like you're on the show floor and you're just running from booth to booth, or you're talking to somebody. Like you're dry and you're parched.
That's the like only time I drink water, but like I always have one with me.
Uh-huh.
Well, I guess it's Mountain Dew right now. But,
Okay.
you know,
Mountain Dew is really good.
Diet Mountain Dew.
Oh yes.
Yes.
I'm here with
Yes.
you. I haven't had one of those in a while.
Energy.
You need that.
Yes.
And sometimes
Yes.
water just doesn't do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like the taste of water. Anyways, that's a whole different topic.
Liquid IV.
I get it from my mother. Yeah. Oh yes.
Yes.
That's in my survival kit.
And I would say here in Vegas, Liquid IV is probably a must.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yes. The Liquid IV, then you get your emergency.
Yep.
There's so many other, and if worst things worse, they have those like IV drips too, you know, just in case you're
right?
dehydrated.
If you have time.
True. Who
Yes.
has that during InfoComm? Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks for having me, and enjoy the rest of your time too.
Definitely, you too.
All right.